This is for all the lonely people thinking their life passed us by. We won't give up until we drink from the circle, find that highway to go. This is for all the lonely people. And I think this is all my fault. Until the ocean surface, right like the wind. It is all my fault, guys, because I've let you drop us in the first place. In the circus, I got carried away. And I don't know why it's all my fault. And your life is just a spot. Away, you're in the circle. Oh. And that highway in the sky. I know why they would hurt me. It's because it's all my memories. Miss it because of I got an amazing talent. By singing a song. So this is all the people shining like the fastest star. Everywhere I feel away, no matter where you go, I will follow your way. And maybe it's because of his peace, my past love. And maybe it's because that I have the past. Or it's because of me. I'm always being popular and always be famous around the world. So to all the lonely people living their life as fast as far. We will give up until we drink from the same cup. But I got carried away. So this is for all the lonely people living their lives fast as far. We will give up until we drink from the silver, ride that highway in the sky. Ukulele skills are improving. Thank you. Thank you guys for listening to all of my songs and subscribing for me. Uh, so this is my final song of the album. Thanks for listening to my whole song. I'm gonna post another album that I actually made myself. Let me show you. It's almost like Michael Jackson cover. Mine. Let me show you right now. It's like this, but I will show you in colored when I start singing the number one song of this album. So I hope you enjoy all of my songs. Thank you guys for subscribing for me. Thank you. And if you would subscribe, you can subscribe for me. Just hit subscribe for me, please. If you don't want to, it's fine. Have a nice day.